Because of the continuous rainfalls in the mountains of Uttarkashi region in the state of Uttarakhand, there are landslides which are being reported. We are 20 kilometers away from the Chamba town and at the Dabri area over here in Uttarakhand, and landslides have been reported. Let me show you these visuals around fast. It is these mountains which has completely collapsed, and due to which the slush has come to the roads over here, which had completely blocked the main highway over here, and hundreds of people are stranded. It is these people who are going on their way towards Chamba. On the other side as well, you can see massive trucks and buses on the way which are stranded. It is these JCB machines which are working on spot over here, and they are trying their best to clear this slush, but certainly people over here are stranded for hours now, because there is a portion of mountain which has completely collapsed, and it is very difficult for these JCB machines to work because of the bad weather condition and the continuous rainfall. Red alert has been issued in the state of Uttarakhand for the next 2 days, and we have been witnessing these kind of landslides at different locations over here, specifically in the Uttarkashi region of the state of Uttarakhand. And because it is these slush which has come to the main highway, the complete road has been blocked. People are facing major problems over here to cross this particular passage, and they have been stranded for hours and hours now. The JCB machines are at spot to clear the passage, but because, as I mentioned, because of the bad weather and continuous rainfalls, it is very difficult for the JCB machines to clear, as there is a blockage of this passage. आप लोग कितनी देर से यहाँ पर फंसे हुए हैं?
3 घंटे से।
ऐसी कई जगहों पर यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिला है। कहाँ से आए हैं और कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं?
मैं उत्तरकाशी से आया सर, और मुझे दिल्ली जाना है जरूरी काम से, और यहाँ पे बहुत परेशानी हो रही है। हर जगह 3-3, 4-4 किलोमीटर पे फंस रखे हैं आदमी।
3 घंटे से आप लोग फंसे हुए हैं यहाँ पर। आप कितनी देर?
ब्लॉक ना, दिस इज द थर्ड ब्लॉकेज वी आर फेसिंग टुडे।
अच्छा,
अभी इससे पहले भी 2 जगह ब्लॉक थी, दिस इज द थर्ड वन।
आप कितनी देर से यहाँ पर?
Exactly, it's been more than 3 hours.
More than 3 hours. 2 JCB machines are working at the spot, and people are stranded over here for last 3 hours to get this clear passage. They're saying that heavy earth moving equipment should be brought in.